Have you ever wondered how to make money online as a stock photographer? Today, we're exploring the world of stock photography, a realm where your camera and eye for composition could earn you a passive income. It's an incredible opportunity for photographers to turn their passion into profit. Imagine your photos being used worldwide, all while padding your wallet. From landscapes to lifestyle shots, your images could be the next big hit. In the next few minutes, we will walk you through the process of becoming a stock photographer. First things first, what do you need to get started? Well, to kick off your journey as a stock photographer, there are a few essential tools you'll need. Let's begin with the heart of your operation, a good camera. Now, this doesn't mean you need the most expensive model on the market, but it should be capable of capturing high-resolution images. Next, you'll need a strong understanding of photography techniques. From lighting and composition to depth of field and shutter speed, these fundamentals will be key to creating appealing images. Then there's the post-production element. A reliable editing software will allow you to enhance your photos, correct any imperfections, and ultimately produce the best version of your work. Of course, let's not forget about your creative mind. Your vision is what will set your photos apart. Lastly, a computer and a stable internet connection are indispensable for uploading your work and connecting with potential clients. Once you have all of these in place, you're ready to take the next step. Choosing the right platform is crucial for your success. Think of it as finding the perfect stage to showcase your masterpieces. Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, iStock, and Getty Images are some of the popular platforms where photographers can thrive. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses. For example, Adobe Stock is integrated with Adobe's software suite, while Shutterstock has a vast user base. iStock offers high royalty rates, but Getty Images is known for its prestige. A well-chosen platform can significantly increase your chances of making a good income. Creating and submitting your portfolio is your next big step. This is where you showcase your work, your style, and your unique perspective to the world. When crafting your portfolio, diversity is key. Include a mix of subjects, styles, and techniques to demonstrate your versatility. But remember, it's not a numbers game. Quality trumps quantity every time. Each image should be carefully selected, meticulously edited, and should tell a story. When you're ready, it's time to submit your portfolio on your chosen platform. Each platform has its own submission process, so make sure to familiarize yourself with the guidelines. Some may require you to tag or caption your photos, while others may have specific file size or format requirements, so pay close attention to the details. Remember, a strong portfolio can set you apart from the competition and attract potential buyers. It's your chance to shine, so make it count. Let's quickly summarize what we've discussed today. We dove into the world of stock photography, underscoring its potential as an online revenue stream. We highlighted the importance of equipping yourself with the right tools to capture compelling images. We navigated through the myriad of platforms available, emphasizing the need to select one that matches your style and goals. Finally, we explored the art of creating and submitting a robust portfolio to showcase your work. With these steps, you are well on your way to making money online as a stock photographer.